Today unboxing is on the Tomica Apita flag series. The Apita flag series has been around since 2013 with more than 40 flags around the world showcased. This Toyota 2000 GT in UK flag is one of the very first that was released in 2013. One of the very striking Tomica in my collection. I picked this up in Japan from a reseller at a very reasonable price because it suffered a chrome loss and some paint rash. A second variant was released in 2016 with the same casting. This US flag is the second variant in the series. The very first version of the US flag has an insane price tag, hence I only have the second variant in my collection, which also pairs very well with the new Fairlady Z. The new Fairlady Z is an ideal candidate to replace the Toyota 2000 GT. You can see the US flag livery is very dynamic. Tomica also introduced the flash symbol on the casting. The stars and stripes are very well presented. I really like how the stripes go all the way to the end. For the rear, it's very basic, painted rear lights. And just like the previous 2000 GT, it comes with opening doors features and standard suspension. And now the second flag car in the series. This was released back in July. Very nice and dynamic, comparable to the very first Toyota 2000 GT in UK flag. The whole casting looks clean and striking, accurate flag color presentation, and the UK livery sits very well on the Nissan Fairlady Z. Unlike the US flag, the flash symbol design is not entirely adapted to the casting. Same opening features with a tan interior, which I think the color match very well. Similar painted rear lights, just like the US flag. I feel the design is very clean and sleek to bring out the UK flag design in a very creative presentation. This pair of the very first Apita flag release, starting with the Fairlady Z, definitely one of my favorite. And if you intend to pursue the Apita flag series, please bear in mind there are more than 40 flag variants, so it can be very exhausting. Or you may just pick your own favorite design, or even the flag in your country. This month we'll see the release of the Brazil flag. Stay tuned for more Tomica unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!